Hello, and I'm going to show you how to repair a broken. This locket has broken in half. You can take it to a jeweler and they can replace the pin for you, but what I'm going to do is just glue it shut so I can go back to wearing it as a necklace. I'm going to take my glue dish, my handy wood craft stick, and I'm just going to take some of the glue, get it on the stick, and then take my locket and go along the edge. Now that the glue is all around the edge of your locket, take your other locket piece and put them together.
Okay.
Press the pieces together, and I'm just going to use my finger to wipe off the excess around the edge. You can clean it more once the piece has dried. Now that our locket is glued back together, let it dry for a good 24 hours before you decide to try to use it for anything. I'm Mariah. Thanks for watching.